Do me a favor, step out the car for me.
I'm gonna bring them.
No, you're not, ma'am. Please step out of the car, ma'am.
You can't take my phone.
All right, don't resist. You're gonna go to jail.
Relax.
Oh.
It's not resisting. It's not
You can't say
Stop. She's fighting. Stop. Let go. Do it now. I said let go. I said you're pulling your arm back.
Let go.
You reek of liquor right now.
On June 11th in Orlando, Florida, a routine traffic stop escalated into a full DUI arrest, and nearly every decision made by both sides shaped the outcome in ways worth examining closely.
What are you doing?
Hi. What are you doing?
What are you covering up?
I'm not covering anything up.
You literally just threw everything down onto the
I was
floorboard.
grabbing my bag for my license.
You were literally throwing shit down.
I'm parking here because I work here.
She tried covering something up on the floorboard. You know why I'm pulling you over?
Sienna.
You know why I'm pulling you over?
Why?
You're gonna give me attitude right now? Like you're annoyed? Because you went right through the red light in front of us at Orange and okay. What is working here driving through a red light on Orange and Washington?
I'm late from break, and I'm sorry.
You're late from break?
Yes.
Okay.
Where do you work?
Here.
Ma'am, do me a favor, put your car in park.
Yeah, it's.
I can't because I pulled over because I saw you behind me.
Put your car in park.
Yeah. There's a bottle in there.
You want to talk to me?
What do you do for work?
What I do for work? Sales vacation.
Sales vacation.
Vacation sales.
Okay. So there's an open bottle of tequila in the car. How many? Ma'am, I'm not arguing with you. I'm telling. Ma'am, let's talk. How many drinks do you have today?
None.
No. Okay. Why is there an open bottle of tequila in the car?
There's not.
Why did you blow by that red light?
I didn't blow by a red light.
Okay, you did. Do me a favor. Put your phone up there.
I'm not gonna hang up.
Ma'am, just take your phone out. Right now, you're detained for a traffic stop, okay? Do me a favor.
I'm already parked.
Ma'am, do me a favor. Step out the car for me.
I'm gonna bring them.
No, you're not, ma'am. Please step out of the car. Ma'am.
You can't take my phone.
All right, don't resist. You're gonna go to jail.
Relax.
Oh.
It's not resisting. It's not
You can't say
Stop. She's fighting. Stop. Let go. Do it now. I said let go. I said you're pulling your arm back.
Let go.
You reek of liquor right now.
Whoa. What is going on? Sienna, make sure you stay on the phone, please.
I wonder if she's involved in signal 3 too.
And 73, what is that?
We're not talking to you.
Yes, you are.
We're talking to each other.
Sienna,
What's on the back?
where's my phone?
It's up here.
What is going on with you today?
Sienna. Over there.
What is going on with you right now?
Sienna!
You do not need to be here. I'm hanging up with
Ma'am.
you.
No, do not hang up my phone. That's
Ma'am.
illegal.
Ma'am.
I have a brother that's a police officer.
Okay, well, guess
You
what?
hanging on my
That's
phone
illegal.
is believed.
All right,
I'm doing her a favor because
How?
if she comes here to this location
She
and
won't
obstructs
come
this
here.
investigation, she goes to jail. So I'm
She
doing
will
her a
not
favor.
interrupt us.
She's literally looking for your location right now.
No,
Ma'am.
she's not.
Ma'am, you've been extremely uncooperative at this point.
I'm cooperative.
You're not.
What do you guys need from me?
You reek of alcohol.
What do you guys need from me?
I'm trying to talk to you. Stop talking
Okay.
over me. Answer
Okay,
my question.
I'm sorry, sir.
How many drinks do you have? Because you reek of alcohol.
I have not had any drinks.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay. So if I do some exercises, are you willing to do some exercises?
Is that legal?
You don't have to do them.
Okay, let's do it.
Do you want to do them?
Yes.
If I take you out of these handcuffs, are you going to cooperate?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I promise.
If you act up, you will get charged with additional charges. Do you understand that?
Yes, I will not act up.
I'm out with you, right?
Yeah. I said 18. Check if they 18 or 19.
I work here. So
work?
Delta 1990, show me.
this is Hilton. You might not see it on the building, but this is Hilton Vacation Sales. Okay?
How many drinks did you have today?
None.
Come over. Turn off your front lights.
Should I take them off?
If you would like to take them off, you have that opportunity to take them off.
It's okay. You know, you can't pull over somebody who's parked.
Ma'am, I don't understand. I don't know what you know, but
But
you committed a traffic violation at Orange and Washington.
But you can't pull over somebody who's parked.
Who said that?
You can't.
Ma'am?
I know that.
Okay, ma'am. So are you going to quit?
Yes, I am.
All right.
But I'm telling you right now, you cannot pull over somebody.
Okay, that's
Ma'am,
going to be
ma'am,
our argument
ma'am,
once we're done with this. But
ma'am,
as of right now, you are detained.
Can you put your feet together, hands onto your side? All right. I want you to follow this blue light. It's called the stimulus. With your eyes and your eyes only without moving your head. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You're moving your head. So we're gonna start this.
Am I moving my head?
I'm not asking
No,
you.
I
I'm
haven't.
telling you, you're moving your head.
How did I move my head?
With your neck.
I didn't.
Ma'am, I'm not.
Can we do it
arguing with
again?
you. We're gonna do it again.
Okay,
All right,
please.
keep your feet together, hands down to your side, not behind your back. We're gonna go over here where it's dry. Okay. Let's take a walk.
Yes.
Hands down to
I'm
the
getting
side,
hit
not
with
up.
the raindrops.
And you put your left foot on that line. Your left foot. That's your right. Your left foot on the line. Your right foot heel to toe, just like this. Keep that right there. All right.
I'm actually a
When-
clumsy person.
Okay. You're gonna take 9 heel toe steps. Plant your lead foot. Take a series of small steps and take 9 heel toe steps back. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You may begin.
1, 2, 8, 9, 10.
Same way I instructed you.
That was 9.
Same way I instructed you. You said you understand my instructions?
That was 9.
Okay.
So, do you like me to do more?
The way I instructed you.
1, 2, 8, 9. I have now did 18. Is there anything else you would like?
The way I instructed you. Remember my instructions?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then do it the way I instructed you.
I did that.
So you're done?
No.
Okay.
So you want me to go heel to toe? You want my toe to touch the heel?
The way I instructed you, ma'am.
1, stepping on my toes. 2, 8, 9. And we're at the end now.
Okay.
I can't-
And you're done? Are you done?
This is what you instructed me.
Okay. So you
And
believe
all
that
my-
to be my instructions? Okay. Cool. Let's go. Come over here.
So confused.
We're just moving on to the next part.
We're going on to the next one. All right. Forward. Face me. All right. The next exercise we're going to do is the one leg stand. You're going to raise your foot. You're going to look down at your foot, and you're going to count aloud. 1001, 1002, 1003.
1001, 1002. What am I counting to? 3?
You're going to keep counting until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay? So you may begin at any time.
Here?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is hard. 26, 27,
All right.
28, 29.
Okay. So how many drinks did you have today?
I have not had any.
None at all.
No.
Okay, look at my partner. All right, and then can you do a forward dive like this with your hands behind your back?
A dive?
Yeah, like put both of your hands like you're praying behind your back.
I have not had any drinks.
Okay.
So what happens when they fertilize me and see I have no drinks?
Well, that's up to the judge to decide. I made my determination roadside based on my training and experience and all my other observations. So you're going to be afforded that opportunity to disprove what I believe. Well, in a couple minutes, it's going to get towed.
And you've been beside my car?
Well, we will be because it's
No, without legal.
Nope,
Probable
ma'am,
cause, first of all,
I don't
there is no
understand what you're talking about.
No, you do. There's something on
Yeah.
top of my car.
Yeah, the
Get in the car.
So
please.
you went inside my car?
Ma'am, please get in the car.
So you went inside my car
Yes,
We will go
we
inside
did.
your
without permission?
With probable cause. Get in the car.
without permission.
With probable cause. Get in the car.
I need my phone.
You'll get that.
Do you have anything
I
on?
need my phone.
It's going to
Get
come
in
with
the
you.
car.
Get in the car.
I need my phone.
You're gonna get another charge.
Get in the
Get
car.
in the car. Do it now.
What's the other charge?
You already have a resisting charge. Don't get another one.
We're giving you a lawful order.
My phone has.
Get your
You
phone.
will
Your phone
get your stuff.
Your phone will go with you, but it's not coming with you in the back of the car. It's going to come up front, and then it's going to go to you into jail.
So can you please get that?
Watch your feet. Watch your toes. I did not realize that was that heavy. You're good.
No. Don't get in there.
All right, ma'am. How are you?
Good,
Step
how are
on
you?
out. I'm just gonna search you, okay?
Search me?
Yes.
What do you have to search me for?
Because you're going to jail.
So don't they search me when I get there?
We're gonna search you right now. Get out.
Policy. So we have to search you now. Hold on a second. All right.
Does that make you feel tough?
Not really.
I wouldn't talk back if I were you, ma'am. Stand here, watch the car. You gotta stand still. Can you do that?
You have me off a curb. You
Nope, I actually had you flat-footed. Wide off.
There's only a centimeter
Widen
away
your
from the
stance.
curb.
Widen your stance.
Wider. What else do you
Wider.
want? What else do you want?
Wider.
It can't go wider.
If you can, I
No, I
promise. you.
can't.
Try. There you go.
Hey, hold
Hold
on.
on a second.
Hold on. This thing's about.
Oh well.
They already have me for a innocent as well, so.
Yeah. So you.
I'm
Do
good.
not do that. Stop.
Good.
Moving your hand so that I get to the ground.
Are you gonna break my finger?
So you make it so.
Are you gonna
that'll
break
be
it?
not our fault.
Are you gonna break it? good?
Yeah.
Make sure that one's. You're searching me to go to jail. When they're already. Don't push me. I don't want to.
Stop pulling away from me.
Stop. Don't. I'm not pulling away from you. Don't push me. Got it? Hello! Help!
Go ahead. Yeah, we're good.
Someone. Dan,
I'm being arrested unlawfully.
hold her like this.
Record this if you can. Record this if you
We're
can.
recording right now.
No, they're recording as well.
Okay, perfect.
Are you gonna arrest them too? Because you guys hung up my phone.
Only you're going to
You
jail.
guys hung up my phone.
Okay.
You don't have a right to hang up my phone. You don't have a right to do that.
Sure do.
Get off my arm.
You're already getting charged for resisting.
Get off my
And
arm.
she slipped one of the cuffs already, so just keep an eye on it.
Rosario's being transported. Let's put her in Rosario's car.
This is not the right way to hold somebody. This is not the right way to hold somebody.
Stop, man.
This is not the right way to hold somebody. That's not the
Stop
right way.
resisting, man.
Not the right way. Not the right way. You're gonna get hung. Not
Stop
the right
resisting.
way. You're gonna break my arm. We're going to.
Stop resisting.
You are going to break it yourself by dropping like that. You are going to self-inflict your injury when you drop all your weight to the ground purposefully, trying to make it difficult for us to walk.
Sorry.
Improper.
Oh. Rosario, where's your car? Let's throw her in your car. Unlock it.
From under my elbow.
Wait, she's going to go.
Get your arm from under
Sorry,
my
his car's over here.
Get your arm.
And his car's over here.
Go get your They're holding me well.
Okay, are you
They're gonna break my arm. They don't know what conditions I have.
Are you gonna come
They don't know what conditions I have.
Stop resisting.
Tell them to get from under me.
It's not happening.
This dumb bitch right here is holding me from under my elbow.
Because of the way you're acting, yes, she's going
No,
to continue to
I'm
hold you
not
like that.
acting- I have not physically arrested anybody.
You keep dropping your weight trying to get outside of our
She's
grip.
holding me wrong.
You've been resisting ever
Like
since
go
the
on my
start.
shoulder like that. And now you're pushing me against the car. I am. Now you're pushing me against the car?
Sure am.
Stop doing that. Stop.
I'm going to tell you right now, you are not running the show. Okay?
I don't care.
Stop fighting
But you're not
back.
gonna hurt
The
me.
more you fight
You're
back,
here to help people.
I'm trying to help
You're
you.
not helping me.
I'm trying to help you.
You're letting her
Okay.
do this to me.
No, as of right now, no. She just wants to run the show.
I don't want to be taken by her.
Ma'am, that's not how this works.
You're here.
You're not.
So,
You're not.
I don't
you're not-
like her.
You're not in control of this arrest. I am, and she's going to take you because it's another woman. Go.
Okay, you just
If
said
you're going to
be
catch
cooperative.
another, you don't understand.
I'm being cooperative, but you have been disrespectful. And you've hurt me. As good as he is, at least he hasn't hurt me.
Under Delaware v. Prowse, 440 U.S. 648, officers need only reasonable, articulable suspicion of a traffic violation to initiate a stop. Running a red light at Orange and Washington satisfies that standard completely. The driver's argument that a parked car cannot be pulled over has no basis in Florida law. The open bottle of tequila triggered a separate legal basis under Florida statute section 316.1936, which prohibits open containers of alcohol in a motor vehicle. Combined with the odor of alcohol and furtive movements upon approach, officers had independent probable cause for a DUI investigation before a single question was asked. Under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 U.S. 106, officers may order a driver out of a vehicle during a lawful traffic stop without any additional justification. Refusing that order is not a legal argument. It is a violation of Florida statute section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence, and it changed the trajectory of this entire encounter. When an officer terminated her active phone call, that is where the legal ground becomes unstable. No Florida statute clearly authorizes an officer to end a detainee's call during a roadside detention. The obstruction rationale may be facially reasonable, but it is not grounded in established law, and it is the most legally vulnerable decision made by officers in this stop. Field sobriety tests are voluntary under Florida law, and the officer correctly advised her of that. Once she agreed to participate, the results became admissible. 6 out of 6 clues on the horizontal gaze nystagmus is the maximum possible score under NHTSA protocols, the most scientifically validated of the 3 standardized tests. What complicates the FST scoring is the wet surface, parking lot environment, and the driver's own disclosure of a pre-existing physical condition. NHTSA guidelines require officers to document these factors. Whether the arrest affidavit properly accounted for them is exactly the kind of issue a competent defense attorney would have challenged at suppression. The vehicle entry was legally supported under the automobile exception Carroll v. United States, 267 U.S. 132. Refined in California v. Acevedo, 500 U.S. 565. Probable cause based on the open container and alcohol odor authorized a warrantless search. The personal search was grounded in United States v. Robinson, 414 U.S. 218. The handcuff slippage materially elevated the threat assessment of this encounter. Under Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386, force is evaluated based on what officers reasonably knew at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. A subject who has demonstrated the ability to escape restraints gives officers legitimate grounds to apply additional control measures. Refusing the breath test at the DUI center triggers automatic consequences under Florida Statute Section 316.1932. A first refusal means a 12-month license suspension with no judicial review. Beyond the suspension, prosecutors routinely argue that refusal reflects consciousness of guilt. If she was sober, the refusal eliminated the one piece of evidence that could have supported that claim. The battery charge under Florida Statute Section 784.07, a third-degree felony, arose from the holding cell door incident, which occurred outside body camera range. No footage exists to contest the officer's account. Court records confirm she pled no contest to DUI, battery on Leo, and driving while license suspended under Florida Statute Section 322.34. The resisting charge was dropped. The lead officer earns a B. The stop was lawful, the DUI investigation was properly triggered, and administering the FST sequence after removing handcuffs reflects measured judgment. The deduction comes from terminating the phone call without clear legal authority and from a physical resistance phase that better early positioning might have shortened. Supporting officers earn a B+. Backup positioning was appropriate throughout. Involving a female officer for the search incident to arrest was procedurally correct. Transport to a dedicated DUI evaluation center rather than general holding reflects proper Florida DUI protocol. No officer deployed force beyond what the documented resistance justified. The driver earns a C+. Her instinct to flag the phone call termination as legally questionable was correct. That was sound legal awareness. But the refusal to exit the vehicle, the physical resistance, the handcuff escape, and the breath test refusal each compounded her exposure. Every one of those decisions narrowed her options and widened the evidentiary record against her. Before the lessons, this case is worth studying not because the law was complicated, but because the outcome was almost entirely determined by real-time decisions made under pressure, not by the legal merits of the underlying stop. Lesson 1. A traffic violation does not end when your car stops. The infraction happened on the roadway where you park afterward does not reset officer authority. Citing a legal theory that has no case law support does not de-escalate a stop. It prolongs it. Lesson 2. Voluntary FSTs become evidence the moment you agree to them. You have the right to decline. If you choose to participate, understand that the officer is scoring every clue in real time and documenting it in an affidavit that will follow you into court. Lesson 3. Refusing a breath test under Florida's implied consent law is a trade, not a right. You give up your license for 12 months and hand prosecutors a refusal they will argue reflects guilt. If you are sober, you just eliminated your best evidence. Lesson 4. Physical resistance during a lawful arrest adds charges, justifies force, and builds the affidavit against you. Every instance of resistance in this encounter was documented and used. None of it helped her case. All of it hurt it. Lesson 5. If officers cross a legal line, the place to fight it is a courtroom, not a parking lot. A good attorney can challenge an unlawful phone call termination. No attorney can undo a battery on a law enforcement officer charge. Know which battles you can actually win. If this breakdown gave you something to think about, let us know in the comments. If there is a specific interaction or legal topic you want us to cover next, drop it below. Like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel to stay current on new analysis every week.